What most people call pond scum, Living Ink actually transforms into a high-performance water-based ink that's carbon negative by design. From renewable algae biomass, Living Ink creates a black pigment and mixes it into a water-based carrier for press-ready performance. This results in a smooth flood, strong opacity, and soft hand on cotton inblends. Available in two tones, Vintage Black produces a lighter, more antique look, while Modern Black produces a nice dark jet black. Both inks can be print engineered alongside other traditional water-based and discharge inks, flash very similar and cure very similarly to water-based inks. This gives it a great wash fastness over time. The best part about the algae used to create every gallon is it takes carbon out of the atmosphere as it grows, creating traceable carbon savings. Algae ink is non-phthalate, PVC-free, PFAS-free, and OEKO-TEX Eco Passport certified, which is good for your health and the planet. Color crafted from renewable biomass waste, replacing fossil fuel carbon black. This is Living Ink. Now available on screenprinting.com.